Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making some pesto for you guys. If you like pesto and you want to see my homemade recipe, then stay tuned because that will be first. And I'm also going to be doing a makeup look using the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. And also kind of doing like a little bit of that pink Kylie Jenner bright blush to go along with it. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you would like to see how I make pesto, and how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright, here's all the ingredients you will need for your fresh pesto. Key importance here is your Parmesan cheese. You want good Parmesan cheese to have a nice tasting pesto. Gonna cooperate with us. It's like the perfect amount of overcast just to give nice lighting, but I feel like if that cloud moves, I'm gonna have just a ray of sun in my face, and then I'll have to move over to the other side and put a little desk down there on the other side so that I have somewhere else to go if the sun is blaring on me. And it's just been one of those days. When I was going to make the pesto, I brought everything out and I realized I didn't have garlic, so I had to go to the grocery store and get garlic. And yeah, so now we are here. I'm going to do my makeup, and I am going to use the Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. So it has hyaluronic acid and collagen in it, and I got it in the color Nude Beige. I kind of mentioned in a previous video that it reminds me a little bit of, like, it could be a dupe for the Dior Forever Skin Glow. It is so nice. I've been wearing it so often these days. It has a nice medium light finish to it. I don't know if it's buildable because it is one of those more liquidy, radiant foundations, but I'm sure you could do it if you wanted to. So I'm just going to get a brush. I'm going to use one of my Beaky Blender brushes, this flat one. I've been using this one lately for foundation. So yeah, this applies really nicely to the skin. It gives you a nice radiant look through the day, and it also wears very well. Um, yeah, I've been enjoying this. I've just been alternating between the Dior and the Maybelline lately. So this is the foundation applied. It has a really, really nice finish to it. Yeah, it's pretty light. It's actually on the lighter side for coverage, but I'm into that, so I don't mind. So I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me Maybelline concealer, and I've hopped back to this one as opposed to the Kylie Jenner just because this is a little bit darker on my skin, and I've just been really liking the way my makeup looks when it just looks like all one color. Like this is not bright underneath my eyes. I don't know, for whatever reason, I just have been finding it to be more of a youthful look for myself, and going with a darker brow. I've been trying to wear a darker brow lately. I tinted my brows. I think I'll add that into a vlog somewhere. I used a darker color that I was using when my hair was a really dark brown. I would tint my brows with the same color that I was using on my hair. So I did that the other day, and I don't know, it just seems to be, again, more of a youthful look for myself. As I'm getting older, definitely want to look more youthful. So yeah, I've been going in with the darker color on my Ardell powder, my powder brow. I'm just gonna pat that into the skin, put the excess on my nose, and then it just has a nice, see, the sun is weird. Let's see. A nice even finish to it. All right, so I applied my KKW Beauty contour. I'm trying to go a little lower to give myself more of a cheek because I'm gonna do that Kylie Jenner really bright blush on the apples of my cheeks. So I went a little lower with my contour, and as well as my lip, I'm just kind of doing the top here and the bottom. I'm also gonna go ahead in with the lip liner and create more of a line there at the top and the bottom, just to give you more of a pout rather than a longer lip. So I'm just gonna blend this all out. All right, so I put a little extra bronzer on. I used the Mud Makeup Sunshine Bronzer, and I'm just kind of gonna blend all this through, all the setting powder, bronzer, everything. So I'm gonna go in with the Vicky brush, little dome brush. Hopefully this won't pick up too much blush. So I'm gonna use the Candy Floss. It says Candy Floss Brightening Face Powder, but if you used this pink as a face powder, I don't know, you would be very, very, very pink all over. So I'm gonna go in with this and just start on the apples of my cheeks. Just doing a circular motion and just kind of dragging it out a little bit. And it's hard, like it's a lot. I can't really go any darker with this because in real life it's pretty bright, so the camera doesn't pick it up as well as pink as it is. Yeah, this would be a crazy brightening powder to put all over your face. You'd look like you had a sunburn. But again, this pink peachy blush is such a youthful look too. And after she did one of her YouTube videos where she did Kim's makeup and gave her that really pink cheek, you see it on Kim and like you can relate with her age. Kylie's a lot younger, but you see it on her and you're like, okay, oh, Kim did it. Now I want to have pink cheeks because it looked youthful on her. So such a pretty, pretty look. So it's hard to tell. Let's see if I can move. Yeah, you can see the pink on the apples of the cheeks. Super pretty. So now I'm going to go in and do my lips. I'm going to start off with my Annabelle Taupe eyebrow pencil, which I always use first. So I'm just going to overline it a little bit. On top, I'm just going to go directly across and just bring it down the corners, but staying in the lip line, not overlining. And the same on the bottom. And then I'm going to go in with MAC's Oak and follow that line again. And then you can kind of just pat it in to the skin so that it's not a really defined line. And sometimes I'll just go over with a little bit of my Vaseline lip balm. I don't necessarily always wear like a color, a lipstick, or a lip gloss. I'll just line my lips. So I'm going to go in with Revlon's Sky Pink, just as a little light lip gloss, like a light baby pink color. And focus more again on that top part and bottom part. And then it creates more of a pout with the lips. So yes, this is the finished look. I wish you could see how pink my cheeks actually are. You can't really tell. They just kind of look tanned on there, but they're pink going out afterwards, so I don't want to have like clown cheeks going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try out the pesto for yourself if you like pesto. I've always loved it. Yeah, and I will see you guys again soon.